How to use milk and coconut to produce body cream.
Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare. Get ready to pamper your skin with our homemade milk and coconut body cream. I am happy you have learned something interesting today. Do you know the benefits of each ingredient? Now listen, let me tell you. Coconut milk hydrates, soothes, and nourishes the skin. Coconut oil, rich in antioxidants, moisturizes, and promotes healthy skin. Step-by-step process, 10 minutes. On a table, arrange all the ingredients and tools you'll need neatly. This includes fresh coconut oil, milk, mixing bowls, a blender or mixer, and jars for the final product. Let's unveil the natural treasures that will transform into our skin's best friend. Here we have the stars of our show: fresh coconut milk and organic coconut oil. Extract fresh coconut milk. Coconut milk, the elixir of the tropics, is not just for your piña coladas. It's a powerhouse of hydration for your skin, soothing even the driest of surfaces. Packed with vitamins C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6, along with iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. This milk doesn't just nourish your body, it's a feast for your skin. Combine coconut milk and coconut oil. Next up, coconut oil, the holy grail of skincare enthusiasts. This miracle worker is brimming with antioxidants that wage war against free radicals. It's the moisturizer you've been dreaming of, penetrating deep to promote supple and healthy skin. Mix the coconut milk with melted coconut oil. And to complement our dynamic duo, we've got shea butter for that extra creamy touch and essential oils for a scent that'll whisk you away to paradise. Add emollients and thickening agents. Introduce shea butter or cocoa butter. Together, these ingredients are more than just a treat.
They're a ritual that honors your skin's natural beauty. Emulsify and blend. Use a hand mixer or blender to emulsify the ingredients. Capture the creamy consistency. Add fragrance and preservative. Add a few drops of essential oil, e.g., lavender, vanilla, or citrus, for a delightful scent. Include a natural preservative to extend shelf life. Transfer to a jar. Pour the creamy mixture into a glass jar. Label it with the date and ingredients. Why use this body cream? Deeply moisturizes, softens rough patches, leaves skin glowing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for more DIY beauty recipes. Subscribe and click on the notification bell icon for more videos. Like and share this video if educating. Thanks for watching.